Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Negaunee Middle School in Negaunee, Michigan. Got to share my heart with the home of the minors at the junior high school this afternoon. I was at the high school this morning for a few assemblies for all the grades there too, but did grades 5, 6, 7, and 8. One assembly this afternoon. The main focus was on bullying, look at the heart first, and really ties into their mantra. Over here we have minors, you see the acronym above me, but I love the respect and responsibility piece, right? That this comes down to showing respect to self and others and looking at someone's heart before anything else, right? Our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger's ourself, the other's for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one tweet, one text, one DM on social media, in person, verbally, whatever it is, we have that ability to either uplift someone higher than the clouds in just 2 seconds, or conversely, we can cut someone so deep that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So we have this choice to raise up or to bring down, right? Hopefully we choose the former, and we have this possibility to always show human kindness, right? This world needs more of it. And sometimes that means that we have to get past some of the pain, some of the hurt in our lives that we've been through, or going to go through, or currently going through, where we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? And so if we're able to do that, now we're fully in for this planet, right? To be that change we want to see for this world, like Gandhi talks about, live that change, and go out and help others, be the light to their heart, to have them help to heal now too, right? We got to be able to open our hearts to that love, to that kindness, to be able to see people for their heart first, but also for this too. Every one of us on the palm of our hands with the lines on our hand has the letter M. I always say this M stands for miracle, or for minors, right? But upside down W for worthy, like the front of my shirt here too. And this means that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, now we have to go help others that maybe forgot that or never been told that, be that person that says, hey, we see you, we see your worth, we see your value, and we see that you're super special, right? And no matter any of our differences, whatever our background is, we can still show that mutual respect, right? And that is our responsibility. And again, we tie into the theme here at the school and trying to, again, strive to include and accept people from all walks of life. A lot of students came up to me after the presentation. Some were emotional, right? And my talks are a little bit heart heavy at the heart level, through some of the heartfelt stories, through some of the inspirational music, some of the motivational videos, right? That the intention is to try to strike a few heart chords and hopefully relate to someone at a deeper level. And once we do, we can take that message a little bit further too. But the common theme and feedback was how, Mr. Peace, what you shared really hit home. Really, even maybe tear up a little bit, and that's okay, because tears are strength. They're the sweat of our strength that started healing and feeling again. And I'm always proud to see that, because people are finally starting to step into that emotion, right, where they might have been numb for a while, and start to deal with, what is going on inside. That if they feel alone or feel empty or anything else that they're feeling, they can know that they can reach out to the adults around them that really care about them, love them, see them like family, and know that they never have to go it alone, right? That paradox, the irony of social media, that we have so many followers and friends, yet we can still feel alone. And so to know that they have someone that's going to support them, family's not just blood, it's people that care about them, right? And have their back no matter what. And to know that they have even best friends, but in order to be able to receive a best friend or have the possibility for a future great friend, we have to be able to open our heart, right? And I know we don't want to get hurt again, that's always tough, but we know that if we're able to, now all of a sudden this opens the door for us to be connected, to have those heart-to-heart relationships, and hopefully start to grow from those relationships, but also, have someone in our corner. If we end up facing some challenges and some tough times, we can still know that someone's always there for us. So again, just a beautiful afternoon, beautiful day overall in Negaunee. Thank you everyone for touching my heart. If something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift with others by how you choose to treat yourself and others, right? Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.